my face now. Go!
Step back, please, step back. Step back.
What's your name? Yeah. Help is on the way. We're going to help you. Very good. Anybody can walk, please.
Still waiting for my heart rate to come down. It is just so surreal and real and absolutely amazing, and I look forward to these training days because it just blows your mind how well everything runs. It's brilliant. You don't know how you're going to react, and it really just tests your instinct of how to do things. Every situation is different, so even if you feel you're prepared, it's another scenario. Nothing is the same. You don't know how you're going to react.
It's full on, to be honest with you. It's not something that you do every day. From today, I think I've learned that it's very important, you know, where, well, first of all, casualties are, and where all your colleagues are as well, as you can actually tell them to attend which patients, and it's a good thing if you're not alone. You always have to be with somebody else.